from معاصر book. Question number 1 shows the correct answer. Letter A. Space divided by 3 over 5 equal 3 over 2. We won't find here the dividend. We know the dividend equal divisor multiplication by the quotient. We won't find the number divided by 3 over 5 equal 3 over 2. This number here unknown. Put x, unknown number. To find the divisor, you must find the product between divisor and the quotient. Then the value about the dividend will be 3 over 2 product by 3 over 5. 3 times 3 it will be 9 and 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the result will be 9 over 10. Choose letter B about question letter A. Question letter B. 1 kilometer over space is the conversion factor. Conversion factor is meaning numerator and denominator it will be equality in the units. Okay, if we convert from kilometer to meter, you know product by 1000 to convert from kilometer to meter. Then we can write 1 kilometer over 1000 meter. 1 kilometer over 1000 meter, we call it conversion factor because the factor here 1 kilometer and denominator 1000 meter, we convert from kilometer to meter product by 1000. We call that conversion factor. But if we put here 2 hours, it will be called the rate. We have the difference between conversion factor and the rate. Conversion factor, it's the ratio between two quantities, equality in the result, but used in the numerator and denominator use different units. Okay, it's a conversion factor here. Okay, conversion factor comparing between two quantities different in units but equality in the results. If you convert from kilometer to meter, you must product by 1000, then 1 kilometer equality 1000 meter. Then we call this what we call conversion factor. But if we put here 100 or 1000 kilometers, it's false. Letter A, if we put 2 hours, it will be the rate. We have the difference between rate and conversion factor. We have this definition. The rate comparing between two quantities. Comparing between two different quantities. Okay, and numerator and denominator not equality in the result, such that 1 kilometer over 1 hour, we called it the rate. But 1 kilometer over 1000 meter, we called it conversion factor. Okay, choose letter D about question letter B. Choose letter D. Okay. Next question. Letter C. If the ratio between two numbers 3 to 5 and the smaller one is 15, then the largest is space, or the greater one is what? We have ratio between two numbers, smallest to greatest. The smallest here to greatest. The ratio between smallest and greatest here 3 to 5, and give us the smaller was 15. Smaller here was 15. Then we won't find the greatest. 3 times 5 equal 15. Then 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the number here will be what? The greatest will be 25. Then the greater will be what? 25. Choose letter B about question letter C. Okay. Next question, letter D. 13 and 1300 divided by 1.1. 13 and 3100 divided by 1.1. We can write 13.31 over 1.1. First step, we must product by 10 to convert the divisor. You must convert divisor here from decimal to whole numbers by product by 10 numerator and denominator, because the point here after one place. Then the result here it will be 11, and up move the point right hand side one place. Then the result here, write 133 and 1/10 divided by 11. Write 0 and 1 times 11 equal 11. Find the difference between two numbers. 11 minus 13 minus 11 equal 2, and then drop 3. 23 divided by 11 equal 2. Because 2 times 11 equal 22. And then find the difference between two numbers. It will be 1. And the point up, drop 1 here. 11 divided by 11 equal 1. 1 times 11, it will be 11. Then the difference between them equals 0. Then the result will be 12 and 1/10 is the result. About question letter D, choose here. He won't find what? Oh, he won't find a space divided by 11. If you won't find the result will be 12.1. But in this example, he asked you space divided by 11. Okay, question letter D. Here, he give us 13 and 31/100 divided by 1.1 equal space divided by 11. In this example, we will move the point right hand side by one place, such that these tips. The result will be 13,133.1 divided by what? Divided by 11. Okay, he won't find what? He won't find the dividend. The dividend here, it will be 13,133 and 1/10. Okay, it's the result. 133 and 1/10. Okay, this example, first step, product by 10 numerator and numerator, dividend and divisor product by 10 to cancel the point. Then the result here, 133 and 1/10 divided by 11. Okay, understood? Then the numerator here, it will be what? 11. He asked about the divisor. The divisor will be what? 11, and the dividend will be 133 and 1/10. It's the result about this example. Okay, choose letter D. Choose letter D about question D. Question letter E, 120 meter per minute convert to centimeter per second. Okay, look at question letter E. We have 120 meter per 1 minute. We must convert from meter per minute to centimeter per second. You must convert to centimeter per second. So in this example, we have two conversion. We must convert from, first step, convert from meter to centimeter, and then convert from minutes to second. First, we know 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Then we can cancel meter, write meter down and centimeter up to cancel meter by meter. And we know 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. And then we have meter and a minute. You must cancel minute and convert to second. Write minute up and write second down. And we know 1 minute equal 60 seconds. Okay, again, first step, we must cancel what? Cancel meter. Write meter down and centimeter up to cancel meter by meter. And we want to cancel minute, this unit, in the remainder second. 120 times 100, it will be 12,000, and 1 times 1 times 60 centimeter per second. Okay, and then you can sample it. Cancel 0 by 0. 100, we have 12 divided by 6 equal 2, write double 0, and 6 divided by 6 equal 1 centimeter. Then the result will be 200 centimeter per second. The result will be 200. Okay, choose letter E. Question letter E, we want to convert from meter per second per minute to centimeter per second. The result will be 200. Okay, choose letter E. Next question complete. Number 2. From the opposite double number line, we want to find the value of x. Okay. Look at with me about number line here. Beginning from 0. Okay. He give us the ratio between two numbers 2 and 3, and we have here x, and we have 8 and 12. To find the value of x, you can write the ratio 2 over 3 equal this number here, space, over x. We want to find the value of what? Of this number, or x. He won't find the value of x. Okay, he won't find the value of x. Okay, to find the value of x, you can find the product between two numbers, right here, 8 and 12. The ratio between 8 and 12, it will be what? 2 over 3. We know 2 times 4 equal 8, and 3 times 4 equal 12. And then we can eat 3 here. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And we have 2 places only from this part. Okay, we have one part only between them. Okay, I will draw it here again. We will write 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 plus 3 equals 9, because he can write the multiples about the numbers. Again, we have 2, opposite it 3, and we have here and x, and here 8 over 12. 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 2 equals 6, 6 plus 2 equals 8, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 plus 3 equals 9, 9 plus 3 equals 12. Then the value of x here, it will be 9. Okay, understood? It's the method to solve this example. Okay, or you can write 2 over 3 times 2, it will be 4 over 6, and then write 2 over 3 product by 3 numerator and numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, and then 2 times 4 equals 8, 3 times 4 equals 12. Then the value of x here, it will be 9. You can solve by this method or this method as you like. In the value of x, it will be 9. Next example, letter B, the reciprocal of 3 over 7, it will be the inverse about this number. It will be 7 over 3. Write 7 over 3, and we know 7 over 3 you can convert, write 3 in the numerator, 2 times 3 equals 6, and the remainder 1. Then the result will be 7 over 3, or 2 answered. Okay. Next question, letter C. If 4 over x plus 1 equals 8 over 10, we want to find the value of x. We can use here the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. Then x plus 1 equal, write 10 times 4 over 8. 10 times 4 equal 40. Over 8 will be 5. Then the value of x here, it will be 5. 5 times 8 equal 40. But he won't find what? He won't find the value of x. We have x plus 1 equal 5. Then the value of x will be what? In the value of x will be 5 minus 1, it will be 4. Again, we have x plus 1, it will be equal 5. 10 times 4, 40, divided by 8 equal 5. Then x plus 1 equal 5. In the value of x, 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Question letter D. A car consumes 20 liters per 200 kilometers, then its unit rate equals space. Okay, to find the unit rate, you must simplest or write denominator equal 1. We have unit rate 200 divided by 20. We can simplest it. We can simplest this number, right? 200 kilometer. It's the rate here, 200 kilometer per 20 liter. You want to find the rate, divided numerator and denominator by 20. 20 divided by 20 equal 1. And 200 divided by 20 cancel 0 by 0. 20 divided by 2 equal 10. Then the result will be 10 kilometer per 1 liter. 10 kilometer per liter. The result will be 10 kilometer per liter. Okay, it's the rate. Letter E, you want to find the quotient from this example. First step, we must convert the divisor here by product by 10 numerator and numerator to cancel the point. Here, letter E, we have 0.036 divided by 0.3, right here 0.03 and 6 over 0.3, product by 10 numerator and numerator, here 3, and up move the point right hand side one place, 0.3 and 6, and then 0 divided by 3 equal 0, 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 6 divided by 3 equal 2. The result will be 12 hundredths. Question number 3, letter A. Ratio between two numbers of cats and dogs, 2 and 7. Okay, look at with me this example here. This is question number 3, letter A. We have the ratio between number of cats and dogs, the ratio between them 2 to 7. Then we will draw here 2 square and here 7 is equality. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, and the sum of them equal 45. He give us the sum of them, it will be 45. Then we can find the sum of 2 plus 7, it will be 9. Then the value of each square here, or each square equal 45 divided by 9, it will be 5. Then each value of it equal 5. Then we want to find the number of each by using tablegram. Okay, the number of cats will be 5 plus 5 equal 10, and the number of dogs will be 1 2 3 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay, it's the result about this example. Okay, we have here each box right here, each box equal 45 divided the sum of them 9, the result will be 5. Then the number of cats, it will be 10 cats, and number of dogs, it will be 35 dogs. Okay, it's the method to solve this example. Question letter B, if the price of 1 meter of clothes 6 and 45 hundredths Egyptian lira, what is the cost of 3.6 meter of the clothes? Okay, we can find the unit rate first. Okay, he give us the price of 1 meter equal 6 and 45 hundredths Egyptian lira, and he won't find the price of 3.6 meter. What is the price of it? We can find the price by product extremes equals the product of means. Then the price equal 3.6 product by 6.45 over 1. You can write the point after 3 places. Okay, here write 645 times by 36. 5 times 6 equal 30, write 0 and carry up 3. 4 times 6 equal 24, plus 3 equal 27, write 7 and carry up 2. 6 times 6, 36, 36 plus 2 equals 38, plus write 0, 3 times 5 equal 15, 5 and carry up 1, 3 times 4 equal 12, plus 1 equal 13, 3 and carry up 1, 3 times 6 equal 18, plus 1 equal 19, and then you can eat them, 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 and carry up 1, 9 plus 3 equal 12, 2 and carry up 1, 4 plus 9 equals 13, 3 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then you can write 23, and here 2 and 2 and 0, and the point after here 2 places and 1 place after 3 places. Then you can cancel 0 here by right hand side, write 23 and 22 Egyptian lira. Okay, it's the result about question letter B.